Good morning. Good morning, everyone. I'm fine. How are you? How are you, students? Yes, good morning. Very good. Yes, good morning. Good morning. So, your EVS chapters, those which chapters in your term 2 syllabus, we completed on the previous day, right? So, hope you all saw those videos in YouTube, those offline and online both, and you completed your lessons, right? So, let me know, have you anything that you have any kinds of problem? Have you anything that you have problem? No. Very good. Okay. So, your chapters from my neighborhood to our art, those will be held in your exam, and you know among those chapters there are pupil at work and my school, those two chapters will not be held. So, those my neighborhood let's celebrate, which we discussed already before the PT2. So, those all two are also included in this term 2 exam. So, today we can discuss about the world of plants again, because as your syllabus completed, and if you have any kind of problem you can ask me now, and today I will ask some questions from world of plants. Okay, so today we can discuss the world of plants. So, everyone open your book, that is world of plants. So, here we see many plants all around us. Yes, Darin, this test paper we will discuss on your others day, not today, okay? Because the test paper 2 is lot of questions, so we discussed sorry, we discussed this thing, this test paper 2 the next day. So, from the world of plants we can discuss that here see many plants all around us, right? And they are different from each other and have different names, that thing. So, let me know, have you read this chapter in your home? Yes, very good. So, now tell me, what is tree? So, today I will ask questions from this chapter, and I also discuss everything. So, your question is, what is tree? Very good, Rishabh, Zarin. Very good. Very good. So, very big plants are called trees. Very big plants are called trees. Very good. Next, tell me, what is trunk? What is trunk? sorry. What is trunk? Yes, very trees have hard and woody stem called trunk. Very good. Very good, Zareen, Debayon. Very good, Bithika. And others, give me answer. What is trunk? So as we all know that there are various types of plants around us, and some plants are so big, some plants are so small, their size, their shapes are also different, and some plants are very small. So those very big plants, as we called trees, and they have the hard and woody stem, are called trunk. Hard and woody stem are called trunk. Okay. Now tell me, as we almost discussed about this, give 2 examples from trees. 2 examples of tree. Very good, Zareen. And others, that's too easy. Everyone give me answer. 2 example of tree. Very good everyone. Coconut, mango, banyan, neem. Yes, very good. Jackfruit tree. So there are lot of trees that's very big and they have hard and woody stem. Now tell me, what is herb? That is question 4. What is herb? Very good, Rishabh. Very good, Zareen. So some small plant have soft stem, soft and green stem. I already told it when I discussed about it, but no one mentioned it. Maybe you can't remember that some plants have as soft as green stem, green stem. Many of them have green stem. So they are called herbs. They are called herbs. 3 examples of herbs. Give 3 examples of herbs. Can you see the board clearly? Three example, Rishabh. Very good, Darsh. Rishan, 3 example, please. Yes. So mint, coriander and tulsi. Aloe vera also 1 example. Very good. Sunflower, wheat, maize, those are also herbs. Those are also the example of herbs. Very good. So mint, coriander, tulsi, are the example of herbs, and sunflower, wheat, aloe vera, those are also herbs. Very good. Now tell me question number 6. What are shrubs? What are shrubs? Give the definition of shrubs. Yes, Rishabh, very good. Very good, Zareen. So, plants smaller than trees are called shrubs. Yes, as trees are so big, so which plants are smaller than trees are called shrubs. And herbs, which we already discussed, those are smaller than shrubs also. So, plants smaller than trees are called shrubs. Plants smaller than trees are called shrubs. Very good. Now, give two example of shrubs. Two example. Yes. Hibiscus, henna, cotton, rose, marigold. Yes, very good. So, there are a lot of examples, we discussed it and we know it, right? Yes. Now, tell me, what are creepers? What are creepers? Very good, Zareen. Very good, Bithika. You gave the example of shrubs. Now tell me, what are creepers? So, some plants have weak stem and grow along the ground. Very good, Zareen, Rishabh. Very good, Deban. Yes, Devdeep. You can copy those questions in your copy book also, or you can get from your book also. So, some plants have weak stems and they grow along the ground. These plants are called creepers. And now give me one example, one or two. Two example. Give two example. As I already told you about those example. Hope you all copied that time. Two example of creepers. Here in your book one example already given, but I told you two examples. Let's see who can remember it. Very good, Darsh, Zareen. Very good, Rishabh, Demayon. Very good, very good. Very good, Devdeep. So, those are watermelon, pumpkin, bottle gourd. Watermelon, pumpkin, bottle gourd. Very good. Very good everyone. Now go to the next question. What are climbers? What are climbers? Very good. Rishan, Mahian, Devdeep. Very good. What are climbers? Now tell me, what are climbers? Some plants climb up trees and houses. Yes, you copied those answers from your textbook. But I told you other things also. No one described that thing. So you just copied from your book. Yes. Very good, Rishabh. So some plants have very weak stem. They cannot climb up by their own. They need some support like stick, other trees, houses. So to climb up. So that's why we call them climbers. I told it when we discussed this chapter previously, but no one remembered it. I'm feeling so sad. Yes, very good, Kaustubh. Some plants cannot grow by their own, cannot climb up by their own. They need support like stick, other trees, houses to climb up. Those are called climbers. That thing I told you. Give 2 examples of climbers. 2 examples of climbers. Two example of climbers. Yes, money plant, pea plant. Very good. Pea plant and money plant. So here we completed the discussion of text part of this chapter, and the exercise are the near about same questions which we discussed now. So you can practice those question answer because answer already given, and hope you all answered in your copy book. So you can practice it a lot of time, the world of plants. Okay. So hope you all practice it. The other chapters also, the world of animals, our earth, and the means of transport, those chapters you have to practice, as you know, for your exam. So as your science syllabus we completed in your offline class, so you can check those videos. Today we completed, I post a video about science chapter, those exercise of your last chapter in your science book. So you can complete to see those video, complete those question answer part to see the video. Okay everyone? Yes, very good. Okay, so here we completed our today's discussion. Next day we will revise the other chapters also. Okay. So who are present now in the class, please write here P. Have a nice day everyone, and that's all.